An Erbauer Screwfix Special. Note, doing nothing. These are only a cheap DIY type tool. No real parts available. What are they like on the inside? Not much to it, but built the same as the rest, to be honest. Lead, suppressor, switch, brushes, rotor armature, and a small gearbox at the top, the gear reduction, and a hammer mechanism. Not much to it. What's the problem? Well, that for a start seems very slack. And brushes should have more resistance. Well, she looks like she's been missing. There we go. Just a set of brushes needed. She's worn through them. That's a good sign. If she's able to do enough work to wear through the brushes, she must be able to do some work. See if we've got anything to match them with. So, very difficult to get these brushes. We'd have to search online. I'm not sure if Erbauer actually supplied the spare parts for them. Don't get any other parts, but I'm not sure if you'll get a set of brushes or not. Might get them online. Problem is this wee spade. Getting something to match. Actually, for the actual graphite end, graphite is just graphite. Doesn't matter which brush you use. If it fits, it works. So you can use a different brush, modify the end. So there's a set of Makita brushes, 411s, CB 411s if you're looking for them. These fit the holders, no problem. How to connect it to the spade. These actual holders don't click in. This is just a cover over the back to keep that spring in. It sits against this housing with this wee insulating fiberglass plate, so the brushes don't actually melt back plastic. This stops it from coming out. So all you need to do is use the old end of the back cover, because the spring is going to be put enough pressure on this brass plate for the power to transfer. Could solder it if you wanted. That will do. You can already hear how much tighter that is. Just make sure you're putting them in. Flat end goes towards the armature. That's the end of the notch. Takes the brush end. And again, like new, may not be the most expensive drill in the world, bit of a cheap and cheerful to be honest, but it obviously doesn't work. It's done its work, worn out a set of brushes and can be fixed up again. What'd be wrong with that? This thing even has a lock for the spindle for tightening your chuck. Handy wee feature. Nice one.